Welcome to A Million Views a Day. Please subscribe and watch our short little videos every day, even if you don't like them that much, so that we get to 1 million views. It's Millionaire Monday, where we give shoutouts to all of the millionaires. Not really about money, but all the millionaires, all you guys who did something great last week to help us get more views. Like all of these guys subscribed. So if you're on this list, thank you very much for subscribing in the last week and watching our videos. Some of you watched multiple videos last week and you mentioned it down in the comments. So thank you to Gutierrez SA, Simply Your Device, and Yehui Jakufyevi Guy. Was that even close? Okay, then there's a bunch of you who said that you watched a playlist last week. And thank you for Living Days, Something I Can't Read Banter, Lee Reed, The Odd Susie, Simply Your Device, and Furbus21. Or as I like to say, Furbus21. And I'm not sure why I like to say it that way. It just makes me laugh. A bunch of you told me that you shared our channel 1 million views a day somewhere online, which is really helpful. Thank you BraveLight526, MCOD1999, Lee Reed, McFlurbleblob, DFG Rees, 64 Cocoboy, Don Crazed Guy Gaming, and BraveLight526 again. Hey, BraveLight526, you're in there twice. And Simply Your Device gave us a couple big shoutouts on Twitter. Thank you for those. And then MCOD99 says, I'll just watch your vids from different devices and outsmart YouTube. We think that might get additional views on the same videos, but who knows. 64 Cocoboy says, you should upload a video with 1 second so we can watch it over and over, and you will get to 1 million in no time. If I could make an interesting 1 second video, maybe. And finally, the girlfriend of Jonas Ashleyman did something very cool. My girlfriend added the moment at 1:34 where you can't say my name as her ringtone. And Jonas Ashleyman, or something like that, which is pretty cool. So thank you all for helping to increase our views. Now, watch another video, or 5, because we are not to 1 million views a day yet, and every view counts. Bye. Stupid. Stay. And then I straighten my shirt and it pops back up. I hate this shirt. I mean, I like this. This is not a fashion channel.